Jai Hind students, welcome to online class of Shri Ram Public School. Myself Shraddha Srivastava, your maths teacher. In the previous class, I was explained multiplication of integers. Now today we start new topic, division of integers. Division of integers. Rule 1. For dividing one integer by the other, the two having unlike signs, it means both two numbers having unlike signs, we divide their values regardless of their signs and give the minus sign to the quotient. It means if numbers are unlike signs, it means one is positive, one is negative, one is positive. Clear? Unlike signs, we divide their values. Simply do the division. We divide their values regardless of their signs and give the minus sign to the quotient. हम simple division करेंगे और quotient में क्या करेंगे, minus put up करेंगे. Clear? Do you like example -48 divide by 12? तो now do the simple division. 48 डिवाइड बाई 12, 48 को 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 12 4 जा 48. Here is unlike signs. Direct in the question we put the minus. In the question we put minus. Clear? Negative sign. Same question here. Unlike signs. Do the division and after that in the question portion we put the minus sign. Clear? Now rule second, for dividing one integer by the other, one integer divide the other like signs. Like signs, it means same signs. In both number having same sign. Like sign, it means same sign. We divide their values को divide करें regardless of their signs and give the plus sign to the quotient. It means quotient will positive. Clear? Now look here, 98 and 14 both are the positive. 98 divided by 14, 14 7 ja 98, and question also is 7. It's also 14 7 ja 98, 7 7 is also positive. Here is negative, it means like sign, same sign. Then question also in positive. Clear? So now follow the both rules and start one more topic, modulus of an integer. Modulus of an integer. The modulus of an integer A is denoted by mod A. Modulus of an integer, mod is divided by this type of symbol. This type symbol is known as mod, is defined as mod A equals to A if positive are 0, minus A is negative. A if A is positive are 0, minus A if A is negative. So it in the both condition, if values always positive, like mod 6 value 6, mod minus 6 values again 6, minus 6 and minus 6, its value is 6. Clear? 6, mod 6 value 6, minus again put the minus, and because one negative also outside, minus plus value 6. Clear? In the simple word, mod, if you value send them outside, always value is converted positive. Clear? Distance between 2 points. Let A and B 2 points at the distance A and B respectively from the origin. Then we defined AB equals to AB mod A minus B. Now let's start. The exercise is exercise 1C, that is based on division of integer. Question first, 65 is divided by minus 13. 65 is divided by minus 13. First first part. Clear? 65 divided by minus 13. Clear? Divide by minus 13. Now start 65 by minus 13. Clear? 13 1 ja 13, 13 5 ja 65, and here is negative, quotient also negative. Clear? 13 1 ja 13, 13 5 ja 65. Clear? This here is negative, this is also negative. Clear? Now one more question. Suppose question 8 minus 36 divided by minus 1. Minus 36 divided by minus 1. Again write in fraction. Minus 36 by minus 1. Negative negative cancel out. 1 divide 36 divided by 1. Answer is 36. 1 36 is 36. Clear? Got it? One more question, like question number, it's fifth part. Minus 150 divided by 25. Clear? Minus 150. Use the division symbol. Put the 25. 150 divided by 25. Write in fraction minus 150 upon 25. In the previous class I was explained, first of all learn the tables. Tables is also compulsory. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 6 are 150, 25 ones are 25, 25 6 are 150. Here is negative, it's also negative. Answer is minus 6. Clear? Here it's 6, here is negative, then we also put the negative. Clear? Now student, follow the same process and complete each part of question first. Follow the same process, complete each part. Do the division, and if unlike signs, then quotient portion also negative, and if the like sign, then the always answer is positive. Clear? Now move on the second question. Second question is the fill in the blanks. Do the direct, otherwise assume x, use the cross multiplication, and after then solve. Like 72 divided by dot 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 equals to, question number second, first part, 72 divided by dot 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 equals to minus 4. Clear? Firstly, let us assume in the fill up space values x. Here value is x. So now 72 divided by x equals to minus 4. Any fill up space, suppose value is x, and after then calculate the value of x. पहले हम यहाँ पे fill up के space की जगह x assume करेंगे और x की value find out करेंगे. Clear? Now 72 divided by x, write in fraction 72 by x, लिख सकते हैं ना, equals to, if denominator no value, then we write upon 1 minus 4 upon 1. Clear? 72 upon x minus 4 upon 1. After then do the cross multiplication. Clear? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इट मीन्स क्रॉस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 इंटू 72 एंड माइनस 4 इंटू एक्स. 1 इंटू 72 इक्वल्स टू माइनस 4 इंटू एक्स. एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू 72 अपॉन माइनस 4. क्लियर? एक्स की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, देन वी सेंड द 4 ऑन द डाउन साइड. नाउ 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32, 4 1 ja 4, 3 is remainder, 3 and 2 32, 4 8 ja 32. X value is, it's 18 upon minus 1. 18 upon minus 1, it means minus 18. Clear? Its value is minus 18. Now one more question. Suppose fifth part is space divided by -1 equals to 36. Clear? Divide by -1 equals to 36. Let us assume x upon -1 equals to 36. Clear? X upon -1 equals to 36. Denominator no value, then we put the 1. Do the cross multiply. 1 into x equals to -1 into 36. 1 into x equals to -1 into 36. X is equal to -1 into 36 upon 1. Minus denominator 1, no effect. -1 into 36 is -36. Clear? Got it? Now do the cross multiply. 1 into x, -1 into 36. X equals to -1 into 36. 1 -1 into 36 is 136 or 36. Put the negative sign. Clear? So now student, assume x and after then calculate. Like one more question. Suppose question third. Assume everything. Assume x and do the cross multiply and after then solve. Question third. Write true or false for each of the following statement. Write true or false. 0 divided by -4 is 0. 0 डिवाइड बाई -4 इज 0. 0 को हम किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर हमारा क्या आता है? 0. इट्स ट्रू. 0 को हम किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे देन आंसर ऑलवेज इज 0. अगेन इट्स ट्रू. अगेन 8 डिवाइड बाई -1 इक्वल्स टू -8. टेक इट, चेक इट. -8 डिवाइड बाई 1 equals to -8 is correct or not? Yes, -8 upon 1. 1 8 ja 8. Answer is -8. Yes, it's -8. So it's also true. Clear? But -6 upon 0. -6 divided by 0 equals to 0. -6 को 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे. डिनोमिनेटर 0 is possible? No. -6, like -6 divided by 0 equals to 0. It's given. It's true or false? It's looking like -6 upon 0. Its values does not exist. डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी 0 नहीं होता है, उसकी वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते. इसको लिखेंगे डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. क्लियर? इट मीन्स इट्स ए फॉल्स. इट्स 0 इक्वल्स टू 0. इट्स ए फॉल्स. क्लियर? इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, अदरवाइज इनफाइनाइट. क्लियर? इसको हम कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते. 0 इफ 0 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? किसी 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे दैट इज आंसर ऑलवेज 0. बट किसी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे दैट इज 0. बट नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे it's not possible. Value does not exist. Clear? So now it's a false. Clear? Now student, here I explain the some questions. Complete each part of question 1 to 3rd. Complete whole exercise. Clear? When you have doubt, ask in evening class. Clear? Now student, exercise 1D also is homework, is the summary based exercise. Exercise 1D is the summary based exercise. Then complete the exercise 1D also. It's only summary of the exercise 1A, 1B, 1C. Merge exercise of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. Try yourself. When you have doubt, ask in evening class. Thanks, and class is over.